umiinit na po yung baseball. In the Philippines today, there are so many teams playing baseball in both the youth divisions, in the elite divisions, the college levels, and hopefully our national team will get to that point where we can be among the best, not only in Asia, but in the world. Kids, we're very happy to see you here today because you are the start of our baseball program or our baseball in the future. Your success, your being here today, is the result of many people who have contributed to make this sport special for you. And one of those people is our ambassador from the United States, Ambassador Harry Thomas. Ambassador Thomas is someone who loves baseball, and when he came to the Philippines on his assignment, the first thing he did was look for some baseball fields and baseball players. Ambassador Thomas has helped our baseball program through donations of equipment, through sponsoring of teams, and most recently, he sponsored 12 Filipino coaches to go to the United States for a week and a half to experience and be trained as coaches for all of you. And that was all because of the efforts of Ambassador Thomas. The ambassador really loves baseball, but the only problem that I have with him is that he's for the New York Mets and I'm for the New York Yankees. But anyway, that's what baseball is all about. No matter what team you're for, we are all here just to enjoy the game. For those of you who don't know, I work in the Philippine Sports Commission. That corner right there is my office. So every time when I'm working, I look out the window to make sure that there are kids and there are teams playing here. And I'm very happy when I see a lot of teams practicing here at all hours of the day. We are going to do a lot of new renovations on this field. We want to convert the infield to a red clay type of surface to make the field faster. We're going to convert the grass that you see here to an all-weather turf similar to what we have in the football field. We're going to be building indoor pitching, a pitching area indoor for right under the third base dugout, and we already have an indoor batting area. So kids, if you want to come to practice here, this venue is open for you. We don't charge anything. As long as you pass through the PSC, you can have this field as your practice venue and as a field to play your games. And that's what we're doing now for Baseball Philippines. Libre po yung paggagamit nitong Rizal Memorial Coliseum because we want to promote this sport. So for all of you, alam ko mainit. Maraming salamat for being here today, and best of luck to all of you. Thank you.